In this video, you will see exactly how Minexa.ai turns any website into structured data, showing you how to scrape property listings quickly and easily. I am navigating to the onthemarket.com page where the property listings are already displayed. Next, find the Minexa.ai icon in the toolbar and click it to open the extension and get started. The extension is open. Hit I'm on the right page, and Minexa.ai starts analyzing the page to detect the property listings. Already detected, the main content block containing the listings is locked in and ready for extraction. Here, decide if the list covers your needs or if you want to extract more details from each property's page. No buttons to click or fields to fill before results show? Just continue. The advanced settings will handle the rest automatically. That section got highlighted automatically. Click Create Scraper, and Minexa.ai does the hard work once and reuses it across similar pages. All fields are here, including property title, price, location, and agent details. Pick what you need, and extraction stays consistent forever. Developers, click API Request and copy the code. The scraper ID is already included. Just add your target URLs to automate data retrieval. Lock in the configuration by hitting the violet button to complete your scraper setup and save your settings. Minexa.ai found the pagination automatically, so it will extract results from all pages on every run without extra setup. Last thing, connect Google Sheets or set a frequency if needed. Then hit Complete Setup to finalize your scraping job. Hit Run, and the job is off and running, pulling all the commercial property listings from onthemarket.com in Kent automatically. Consistent columns like property title, price, location, and agent contact appear clearly, with blank fields where data is missing. This honest extraction avoids fabricated data unlike AI tools, ensuring high quality and reliable results for your property listings. Download the data and open it in Excel or Google Sheets straight away for instant analysis or reporting. No code, no technical knowledge, no LLM token costs. Minexa.ai works for anyone needing web data and scales to any volume developers require.